I'm joined now by Tamara Goodell. She's a cousin of Lyle and Erik's who has been fighting for their freedom for years now. Boy, this is really nice of you to be on the show, because I know that you've had a hell of a day, a very long day in court. I don't even know how you made it to the live shot, but I really appreciate it. Give me your reaction to the decision from the judge today.
Well, thank you so much for your time tonight. I'm really, really, really glad about today's decision. And first of all, I just want to make clear, I was not in court today. I did not go in hopes that we would be there next week, and so my superstition held out. So I'm very, very thankful of that. And you know, honestly, my family owes so much right now to Mark Garagos, Alex Kazarian, Cliff Gardner, and Mike Romano, because they have just fought so hard and so feverishly for Erik and Lyle. And honestly, just something that my grandmother Joan has been fighting for so long. And that just has been just today's decision is just remarkable. And I can't even tell you or put into words the elation my family has felt today. Although we want to celebrate, we're not celebrating yet, because this is not the end of the road.
Well, it's baby steps for sure, but this seems like a big, big baby step. And you don't have to put into words, Tamara, because I can hear it in your voice. I can hear that you're super emotional tonight, even though you weren't in court all day. I know you were getting the updates. Have you been able to tell Erik and Lyle? Did anybody get on the phone with them? Did they know?
Well, so they were in the courtroom via video feed today, so they are aware of the outcome of the decision. And I had been messaging with them up until even this morning with Erik. So I have not heard from them yet this evening. I feel like they've been super busy, especially Erik with Tammy and Lyle with Rebecca. So I know that they are really busy preparing for next week, as they have been for the last year and a half, honestly, between the requirements that they've needed to get completed for a parole board review. So it's exciting. I'm just really, really looking forward to talking with both of them. It's just hearing their voices is going to be really exciting.
You know, it's funny, I didn't expect a decision today, and that way I didn't expect that Erik and Lyle would have been in the courtroom all the way through to a decision, especially since they are actually in jail, and it was a virtual thing. So thank you for clearing that up, that they got to sit through everything right up to decision. I wanted to ask you a little bit about Nathan Hochman's presentation. I did not know, and I don't know if you knew or if the defense attorneys knew, that the DA was going to do some relitigating today with actual evidence and crime scene pictures. And I know it's been all over the news for 30 years. I know that these aren't new to you, but they can't be easy. This is Kitty and Jose's blood. This is their crime scene. Yep. How'd you withstand that stuff coming back out again today?
Quite honestly, when I heard that those images were brought out again, it was quite angering. It's so, like Garagos said, it's just inappropriate. And that's honestly from the DA's team. They haven't really made an actual legal argument about why this motion should be withdrawn. So for them to just go up there and basically make resentencing arguments, again, it was inappropriate. And I think for me personally, it's just a huge disappointment of a team of elected officials who are there, who are supposedly supposed to be representing victims. And while we are multidimensional victims in this, my family are victims. And for them to bring that out, to rehash what happened in 1989, was in no way necessary.
Thanks for watching.
Go to joinnn.com to find NewsNation on your screen. And don't forget to click the red subscribe button below to get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.